Ninth floor.
Ma'am, sorry po. Pwede ba kayo nalang pumindot? Marami po kasi akong hawak eh.
Inuutusan mo ba ako?
Ay, hindi po! Sabi ko nga po ako na eh.
I-press mo na rin kaya ang 4 para more chances of winning. Good morning, ma'am.
She's the boss. He's the assistant.
Good morning, Hawks Israel! Today is a very special day para sa ating presidente, para sa ating upline, para sa ating mentor. Because today is her birthday!
Birthday, my friend. Here's to all the years we've shared together.
Happy birthday, Upline Rally. I declare God's favor be upon you always. More success, more blessing to come. And thank you so much for everything. Salamat po sa lahat ng suporta mo sa buong grupo. Hindi lang sa grupo ko, kundi sa buong grupo ng Hawks Israel. Salamat po dahil simula't simula, hindi mo kami iniwan simula noon hanggang ngayon, nandyan ka pa rin lagi na nakasubaybay sa amin. Hindi kami magsasucess sa business na ito kung hindi dahil sa paggabay mo sa amin. Salamat sa mga learnings, salamat sa pagpupush sa amin, salamat sa lahat ng motivations, salamat sa magandang sistema na itinuro mo sa amin. Maraming salamat. Words are not enough to thank you. Grabe. Sobrang napaka-bless namin dahil ikaw ang naging upline namin. Na nandyan ka lagi kapag kailangan namin. Nandyan lagi yung tulong mo. Nandyan lagi yung paggabay at pag-alalay mo sa amin. Salamat. Salamat, upline. God bless you more always, and again, happy blessed birthday. At dahil birthday mo ngayon, kaya marami ang babati sa'yo. Eto, panoorin mo. We love you! God bless you!
Birthday, my friend. Here's to all the years we've shared together.
Said no to blankets, no to
Hello,
clothes,
good morning!
flour, but
Happy
finally
birthday sa
gave
iyo,
in for
partner
7
Relly! Grabe, no? Pabata ng pabata talaga tayo sa IM Global. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng mahabang buhay. Ayun, nandito kami ngayon sa Sydney, namamasyal. And hope to see you soon here in Sydney, Australia. Again, happy birthday!
Hi, good morning! Nasa Australia ako. Babatiin ko lang si Relly. Happy birthday!
Such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams.
Good morning, Shalom! Today is a very special day of our upline mentor, upline Relly Vigiga, the founder of Hawks Israel. Upline Relly, in behalf of my team, Victorious Hawks Israel, I just want to greet you a happy birthday. I just want you to know that you are a blessings and a God's favor to us, your downline. Your great leadership has inspired us so much. Thank you for all the motivations, for all the learnings, for all the love and care that you have bestowed to us, to all Hawks Israel, especially to my team, Victorious Hawks Israel. We thank you so much po, upline. May you always remain as inspiration to all of us, especially to OFW na katulad ko. Maraming salamat po sa love mo. Maraming salamat, upline Relly. Thank you. declare that overflowing blessings be with you, and may God bless you more than you ask and imagine. Thank you. Love and greetings from Victorious Hawks, Israel. We love you, Upline.
So light a candle on your cake for every smile you've helped create, for every heart.
Hi, Upline! Masalto! In behalf of my whole AIM group sa iba't ibang sulok ng mundo, Israel, Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, Kuwait, Philippines, Qatar, Saudi, Ireland, at sa iba't ibang sulok ng mundo, we greet you, happy, blessed birthday! We pray and wish you all the best in life, more blessings, health, and many more blessed birthdays to come. Thank you po sa lahat ng love, support mo sa buong grupo ko, sa suporta mo. God will reward and bless you more. We love you, Upline. God bless you always. Hugs and kisses. Power! Love you, Upline. Kisses.
Morning! Good morning, Apres! Happy birthday po sa'yo. Salamat po sa lahat ng suporta mo sa akin, lalong-lalo na sa aking buong team. Maraming salamat. Wishing you all the best, great health, great love, and infinity of happiness. More success up. Sana wala akong magbabago at lagi ka po naming makakasama. Salamat ng marami po sa lahat, and happy birthday. God bless you always, and more success to come. We love you so much. Mwah! I love you.
For every smile you've helped create, for every heart and every soul you've helped to grow a little more.
Hey, morning po! Happy birthday, President Relly! Sana po dumami pa ang kaarawan dumating sa inyo para po mas lalo kayong maraming matulungang mga OFW around the globe to change their lives. More power po!
Fresh Relay, happy birthday. More power at maraming salamat po sa suporta sa grupo ng William Hawks International. At sana po ay sama-sama tayong sa pag-asenso para po sa ikatatagumpay ng bawat isa. More power!
A few more pounds, a little more gray. Don't count the years, just count the way. It takes a little time to go from water into wine. Don't. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. We Malaysian Hawks team greet you a happy birthday, Upline. Maraming salamat sa suporta mo sa aming dito. Happy birthday, my friend. Here's to all the years we've shared together.